Hello, in this video we will be explaining what crypto staking is. Staking cryptocurrency is comparable to depositing money in a bank, in that an investor locks up their assets and gets incentives, or interest in exchange. Staking is a term used to refer to delegating a certain number of tokens to the blockchain's governance model, and thus locking them out of circulation for a specified length of time. For starters, by restricting the quantity, this can raise the value of a token. Second, if the network employs a proof-of-stake scheme, the tokens may be utilized to regulate the blockchain. A POS system, as opposed to a proof-of-work system that includes mining, can be somewhat difficult, particularly for crypto newbies. Coins are staked in POS systems to build new blocks in the blockchain, for which players are rewarded. Winners are chosen at random, guaranteeing that no single firm has a monopoly over forging. A staker can receive a proportional return by forging depending on how much of their overall assets are staked and how long they are staked for. Stakers can also group their assets into a staking pool to achieve any mandated minimums. On some networks, it is also possible to cold stake, which entails staking funds or tokens held in a cold wallet, or one that is kept offline. Staking rewards, you can earn more tokens. This is the major one, growing your personal collection of tokens or coins. Stakers aren't guaranteed anything, because the process of creating new blocks and dispensing rewards is randomized, but they do earn interest by staking. Staking requires less resources. Staking, as opposed to crypto mining, uses considerably fewer resources, which may help you sleep better at night. Furthermore, staking serves the ecosystem by making tokens more scarce, which might boost the value of your holdings. Stakers are granted vote and participation privileges. Stakeholders, as previously said, are more established in a certain ecosystem or blockchain network, which may offer them greater weight over what occurs next with a specific cryptocurrency. It's analogous to holding shares in a corporation. You get voting rights by staking. Staking can be a simple technique to increase holdings. Staking may be as simple as switching a few switches for investors who use an exchange. They may then see their possessions expand. It's a hands-off, simple method to maintain investing with minimal effort. Risks of staking. Staking, like any other sort of investment, carries risks. While it's unlikely that your whole account would go caput overnight, as certain stocks may, there are a few things to be aware of before you start staking. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. To begin with, cryptocurrency is a volatile investment, and as such, price fluctuations are typical. The unpredictable nature of cryptocurrency and associated price changes might cause you to reassess your plan on a regular basis. Volatility is something to keep in mind. There are lock-up times. Staking entails locking up your cash for a set amount of time, and if you lock up your holdings for months or years, you won't be able to access them for a while. Also, once you start, there may be no way to unstake your assets. Be cautious of slashing. You may make a mistake and suffer fines if you stake outside of an exchange by setting up and configuring your own node. This is known as slashing, and it is used against validators who are performing poorly or dishonestly. As a result, a percentage of the payments may be deducted as a penalty. You will be charged fees. Yes, there are fees connected with staking, especially if done through an exchange. Fees vary every exchange, but they are often a proportion of a staker's earnings.